Okay mga idol, mayang gabi tato na po tayo idol. Wapo kayong ink gamit ito karon idol. Napakoy ink gawa pa maabre idol. Swerte kayo makauna ning inka idol. Shout out sa tanan. Today mag shout out tagtiwas kay daghan ba kayong wa ma shout out idol. Shout out ko ni Perla Adlawon Silvano. Shout out ni mo diha idol. Puraso Mabik from Saudi Arabia. Shout out idol. Dilapos Puraso Ligas Mabik. Shout out. Lengske Chengyan. Shout out idol. Lisa Bantulinaw Bagulos. Shout out. Ricky Ranay. Shout out idol. Jinika Samalo Tasik. Shout out. Luna from Batuan Bohol, shout out. Geraldine Siroy from Uwak Bilar Bohol, shout out idol. Wendell Yano Gumapak from Sibilya Bohol, shout out idol. Joshua Ligaspe, shout out. Danre F Boksyo, shout out. Rodel Dapar from Yanaya Bilar Bohol, shout out idol. Marco Pangan Agaw, shout out idol. Haile Rosalina, shout out. Lisar Aitom, shout out. Michael Banu Agliray, shout out idol. John De, shout out. Yung Exodna, shout out idol. Evelyn Paigan from Yanaya Bilar Bohol, shout out. Noel Hams Hamili Kagalitan, shout out. Janet Saruna Alboroto from Carmen Bohol, shout out. Octobre 4, shout out idol. Richard Iko Boho, shout out. Elton John Glerigo, shout out idol. Charlie Samuya, shout out. Rodel Dapar from Yanaya Bilar Bohol, shout out idol. Arnold Kalamba Bautista, shout out. Mark Leo, shout out idol. Elmar Pangan, shout out ni Mudhagaw. Domingo Lozano from Riverside Bilar Bohol, shout out ni Mudhagaw. Pinariho, shout out. Karen Jen Sarin Kuten, shout out. Marski Duria, shout out idol. Nish Balili Saludo, shout out. Maricel Manilheg, shout out idol. Caris, shout out. Noel Nicolan from Carmen Bohol, shout out idol. Samu from Corilla Bohol, shout out. Merejin Lagumbay, shout out idol. Ug aner na taman mga idol, shout out sa tanan. Labing kutasa.